Hey guys, how's it going? This is Julio, Mr.Quickpick. I'm here at the Indianapolis Eskenazi Hospital right now, about to do a mobile tire change, and wanted to show you guys what we normally do. So here we go. Alright guys, so we have made it to the location here, and now we're just going to go ahead and get the tire off the car and get it on the truck and get it swapped out. Alright, so now we have the vehicle all jacked up. Just going to go ahead and take the tire off. And have some awesome spectators, so that's cool. Alright, so we just zip the tire off. Now we're gonna take her to the truck and see what happened to her, get the new tire on there. Alright, so now we're gonna pump the bead off the tire. I'm gonna put it on the machine. Then we're gonna get that rubber part off the tire. We're using the lip. Alright, so now we've got the tire off the rim. It's gonna grab the new tire. This guy right here. Alright, so we're gonna mount that on that. Now we're just airing it up. That was the bottom side. And on this top side now. Alright. Now we're going to throw it on the balancer and get it to balance. Alright, so now we got the tire on the balancer. Oh, looks like we might not be connected or something. Yeah. There she is. Oh, first thing we do. This guy. I'll set you down here so I get this measurement. Like a 7.5. So it's going from 7.5. And we did take all the weights off of her beforehand. She did have a few. So now we got to put 50 grams over here, 75 grams over here. That's honestly quite a lot, but we're going to try to do it anyway. Alright, so we finally got it to balance. Ended up putting 50 on this side, and then all these on this side. But it eventually did get to 0, so I guess that's a win. So now I'm just going to grab the tire, zip it back on the car, and the customer's going to be on their way. All good? Alright, so we're all finished up now. Just closing her up. Not a perfect workspace, but it's the work done. Give us a call. Forgot to put my jack up. Silly. Alright guys, so now we just finished up with that service there. And we're gonna go on to the next one. See you next time.